Okay, today we're going to talk about area and perimeter. This is a review from 7th grade. Area is a measurement of the number of square units needed to cover a given space. Cover is a key word. It's going to cover all of it, like carpet, like grass in a backyard, like paint on a wall. Then we have perimeter. Perimeter is the sum of the lengths of the sides of the polygon. It's going to go all the way around the polygon. It's going to border the shape. A picture frame, a fence around a backyard, you would be finding the perimeter of that shape. Okay, we also have area and circumference of a circle. Circumference is the distance around your circle. The diameter is the length completely across from one side to the other, and then the radius is half of that. It goes from the middle out. Okay, we're going to look at solving perimeter of a rectangle. We talked about perimeter being the sides around. So if we know that this is 10 centimeters, this is also 10 centimeters. And if this side is 5 centimeters, this side is 5 centimeters. To find perimeter, we will add all of the sides. So we get 30 centimeters for the perimeter of this rectangle. To solve for the area of a rectangle, we need to use a formula. The formula for a rectangle is area equals length times width. You will be given a formula sheet, so you do not have to memorize that formula. It does not matter which one is length and which one is width. I usually consider that length and that width, but the commutative property tells us that it doesn't matter which order we multiply those in, we will get the same answer. We are going to substitute in our length and our width, and then we are going to multiply and we get 50 centimeters, and our units are always squared with area. Now we're going to solve for the area of a triangle. The formula for area of a triangle is area equals half the base times the height. The base is what the triangle sits on, and the height is how tall the triangle is. We're going to substitute in our information, our base and our height. We're going to do the math. And half of 20 equals 10. Don't forget your units because we're solving for area. It is feet squared. Okay, now we're going to move on to our circles. Circumference has two different formulas depending on what you're given. The circumference formula is 2 pi r if you're given a radius. Here we are given a radius, so we'll use that equation. If we are given a diameter, we can use circumference equals pi times the diameter. Either one you can use. We're going to substitute in circumference equals 2 times pi. You will always use 3.14. Please do not hit the pi key on the calculator. Type in 3.14. And then our radius of 6. So you're going to type that all in your calculator to get your answer. Oops. There we go, sorry. 2 times 3.14 times 6, and we're going to get 3768 centimeters. It's not area, so the units are just centimeters. It's circumference. Again, reminder, circumference is going around the shape. And we're going to solve lastly for area of a circle. The formula for area of a circle, area equals pi r squared. So we have our radius. They would give you a diameter. For instance, if they gave you a diameter of 12, you would cut that in half to get the radius. But for this problem, they give us the radius. We're going to go ahead and substitute in. For pi, it's 3.14. For radius, it's 6, and we need to square that. Remember your order of operations. You need to square, use the exponent first, then multiply. So I have 3.14 times 36. I'm going to get the calculator. 3.14 times 36. And the area of this circle is 113.04 centimeters squared because we're talking about area. Thank you very much.